Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the form. Draw a circle and add a vertical centerline to anchor symmetry. Once done, mark a horizontal eye line about 1/3 down from the top. This locates the eyes and brow. Sketch an oval for the torso and a short neck, using 1/2 head height for proportion. Make quick, light construction lines for shoulders and hip placement and tilt them slightly to give Elsa life. This foundation sets scale and motion before you add features. You now refine the face. Place 2 almond-shaped eyes on the eye line with 1 eye width between them, which keeps her look balanced. Once done, sketch a small, slightly upturned nose from the center line and a gentle mouth below. Soft curves create her calm expression. Make the jawline slightly rounded and position ears between the eye and nose lines. As you work, erase unnecessary guides, keeping the light, clean lines that will support hair and final details. You complete the drawing by blocking Elsa's hair mass, following the head tilt and letting the braid flow over one shoulder. Think of hair in large shapes before adding strands. Once done, lay in costume lines like the collar and cape edge, suggesting a few simple snowflake motifs for character. Make final line weight choices, heavier outer lines, lighter inner details, and add subtle shading under the chin for depth. If the braid looks stiff, loosen curve spacing to restore natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.